Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best IKEA high chair leg wrap is probably one of the most essential accessories for parents looking to protect their floors and add a touch of style to their dining area, ensuring that mealtime messes are contained and easily managed, making it a must-have for any household with a little one. Number 5. Aneaseit chair leg floor protectors. Tired of scratches and noise from moving furniture? Our protectors offer the perfect solution to keep your floors pristine and quiet. Unlike others, our design combines silicone and felt into one piece, ensuring a secure fit that won't fall off or leave sticky residue. These versatile protectors adapt to various leg shapes, including round and square. They fit a wide range of diameters and lengths for a snug fit. No tools or complicated steps required. Simply slide them onto your furniture legs for instant protection. It's that easy. Our protectors leave your furniture untouched and can be easily removed and reused in your new home, saving you money. What we like? These protectors offer a robust blend of silicone and felt for a secure, non-damaging fit. They are designed to prevent scratches and noise without leaving sticky residue. If you're looking for a long-lasting and reusable solution for your furniture legs, these are a great choice. What people say? These leg floor protectors work as advertised. Picked the right size and color for our chairs and they fitted perfectly. The felt pads on the legs are protected and there is no issue with movement. Installation relatively easy. May require a little stretching but does fit well and does make the sliding of the chair on your floor much easier, plus giving added protection. These are great. I originally had just the sticky felt things that I put on the bottoms of my chairs, but they would come off easily. These do not come off. They help the chairs slide on my floor. This is a great chair leg floor protector. Number 4. Evenflo Eat and Grow Convertible High Chair. This versatile high chair adapts to your child's needs as they grow. It easily transforms from an infant high chair to a toddler dining chair, and even a big kid table and chair set. Designed for extended use, it supports your child from 6 months up to 50 pounds. Enjoy multiple stages of use with this adaptable seating solution. Safety is paramount with its secure 5-point harness. This feature ensures your little one stays safely in place during meal times. Keeping it clean is a breeze. The seat pad is machine washable, and the surfaces are easily wiped down, including the removable tray. Watch them transition seamlessly through every stage. It's the perfect companion from their first solid foods to independent dining. What we like? This high chair grows with your child, offering 4 distinct modes from infant to toddler. It features a secure 5-point harness and a machine-washable seat pad for easy cleaning. If you need a versatile high chair that can adapt to your child's changing needs and is easy to maintain, this is an excellent option. What people say? The seat wipes down easily for everyday messes, and when things get extra messy, the cover goes right in the washer. It's super versatile. We started using it as a traditional high chair for our toddler, and now it easily converts to a toddler chair and booster as they grow. Assembly was straightforward too. The chair was extremely easy to assemble, taking less than 5 minutes. Number 3. Upward Baby Silicone Suction Mat, set of 3. Tired of placemats sliding all over the place? Our silicone placemat features a unique non-slip bottom that grips securely to flat surfaces, ensuring a stable eating area for your little one. Your baby's safety is our top priority. These placemats are crafted from 100% baby-safe silicone, free from harmful chemicals like BPA, BPS, PVC, and phthalates. They are durable, food-safe, and completely kid-safe. Keep your dining table and high chair clean with our thoughtfully designed placemats. The raised edges effectively catch spills and messes, making mealtime cleanup a breeze. These placemats are incredibly lightweight and portable. You can easily roll them up and take them to restaurants or anywhere you dine out, ensuring a clean eating surface on the go. Busy parents rejoice. Cleaning is a hassle-free affair. Simply toss them in the dishwasher or wipe them clean. Plus, a convenient hanging loop allows for quick drying after washing. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Our placemats make an ideal present for new moms, baby showers, or baby registries. Welcome a new baby boy or girl with this practical and stylish gift. What we like? This set provides 3 non-slip silicone placemats designed to stay securely in place, even with active toddlers. Made from 100% baby-safe silicone with raised edges to contain messes. If you're tired of placemats sliding around and want a safe, easy-to-clean option for mealtime, this set is ideal. What people say. It is big and covers a large area of the table, and the catch tray collects so much food from falling, plus our baby was able to eat food out of it. It's easy to clean up, we'd throw it in the dishwasher. It's clean looking and nice and thick. My little one can pull it up, but I already expected that because nothing really suctions well enough to stand up to a determined baby. I do love the food catching tray that hangs over the edge of the table. It works perfectly to keep almost all of his dropped food from landing on the floor. It's great for minimizing messes in restaurants and keeping his food off of dirty tables. It rolls up and folds easily so it fits in the diaper bag, and it's super easy to clean. This mat is made of quality material and looks like it would work great. But it does not have suction to stay on the table, and the overall structure is too bulky. The tray was too big, and my kids couldn't get close enough to the table to eat easily. It would be easily drug off the table. Number 2. Honey Joy 6-in-1 Convertible Baby High Chair. Discover the ultimate feeding solution that adapts to your child's needs. This versatile chair transforms to suit every stage, from infant to toddler. Designed for ultimate comfort with an ergonomic back and soft cushion. The removable double trays make mealtime and playtime mess-free and easy to clean. Your baby's safety is paramount. Featuring a secure 5-point harness and a stable design with anti-slip feet, it ensures peace of mind during every use. From mealtime to playtime, this chair easily converts into different modes. It can even transform into a bar stool or a floor chair, fitting seamlessly into your home. Spend less time assembling and more time with your little one. This chair is simple to put together, and the waterproof cushion makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with quality materials, this chair is built to last. Its stylish gray finish complements any nursery or dining room decor. What we like. This high chair offers an impressive 6-in-1 convertibility, adapting from a full-size high chair to a stool and floor chair. It features removable, dishwasher-safe double trays and a stable design with solid beechwood legs. If you desire a long-term seating solution that can transform with your child's growth and offers convenient cleaning, this is a fantastic investment. What people say. The design is modern and stylish, and it looks great in my kitchen. It's very sturdy, safe, and easy to clean, which is so important with little ones. I like that it's convertible and grows with the baby, making it a great long-term investment. The removable tray and adjustable footrest are very convenient. This chair is very lightweight. This is the second baby's dining chair I've bought. Compared to the one I bought before, this one is even lighter and space-saving, and there's a removable clear plate on top of the dining tray, which greatly reduces the cleaning process of the baby's dining chair, which I really like. This high chair is very functional and versatile. The 6-in-1 design allows it to transition from a baby high chair to a toddler chair and even a small stool, which saves space and money. The double tray is removable and easy to clean, and the footrest can be adjusted or reversed as needed. The harness keeps my baby secure, and the chair feels stable with its wooden legs. Number 1. Nibble and Rest Bamboo Style Leg Wraps for Ikea Antilop. Give your baby's high chair a fresh, stylish look with these unique bamboo-style leg wraps. They easily upgrade the appearance of your existing high chair. Designed specifically for the Ikea Antilop high chair, these wraps provide a seamless and custom fit. They are made to complement its design perfectly. Applying these wraps is a breeze. With pre-cut adhesive strips, you can easily attach them to the legs for a beautiful, bubble-free finish. For an even more cohesive style, pair these leg wraps with our matching bamboo wootsy footsy footrest. Create a fully coordinated look for your high chair. From a mom on a mission, these accessories are made to bring more fun and less mess to your child's mealtime. Enjoy a more pleasant feeding experience. Crafted with high-quality vinyl, these wraps offer a stunning bamboo aesthetic. They are a simple yet effective way to enhance your high chair's appearance. What we like. These decorative leg wraps offer a stylish bamboo-inspired upgrade for your IKEA Antilop high chair. They are designed for easy installation with pre-cut adhesive strips. If you want to quickly and affordably customize your high chair's look without any permanent changes, these wraps are a perfect choice. What people say. The strips fit perfectly and took about 10 minutes to install all four, so easy. It is literally the perfect size, no need to cut anything. I've had it for a couple months now and it has not peeled off. The vinyl is thick, quality vinyl and looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.